Maxima 800 Sport. Let's discover it together. Follow us. This boat is being unveiled for the first time worldwide here at the Düsseldorf Boat Show, January 2026. A brand new boat, it follows the line of the sport models that started 2 years ago and are becoming a truly important fleet for Maxima Boats. The configuration is simple, but simplicity, when done to perfection, is the highest level of excellence. In fact, right in this area, we have the option to have a kitchen zone with a stove and a gas grill, all in a single unit. When closed, it becomes an excellent countertop, along with the entire sunbathing area, the aft seating, and the armchairs, which we will now take a look at together. This is the control console, the helm position of this boat or vessel. I say vessel because at this point I'll also give you some technical details about the boat. It's 8 meters in overall length, so being under 10 meters, there's obviously no need to register it. You can transport it on a trailer because its width is 2.55 meters, which is allowed in Italy without any issues, so you can easily take it around with your own car. It has a capacity of up to 10 people. Then, of course, it'll be up to you to find a car that can carry all 10 people, so you can go on vacation with just one vehicle. The control screen, which in this case is double, allows you to fully monitor the boat, both in terms of engine data and navigation. Basically, you can manage it however you like, with sonar, navigation, or anything else you want to display on the screens right here in front of us. All the control buttons to manage the various accessories installed on the boat. Another very important thing, you never know where to put your phone, which by now is basically a part of us. Check this out, it's so cool. You can put it right here in front of you without having to search for it, and it won't fall into the water, onto the floor, or anything like that. A super clever dashboard. Very small at the end, it looks like it fell somewhere. I went into the cabin, and on the bed, in the cabin bed, 2 people can comfortably fit. By putting your feet on that side and your head over here, you'll be in the position where you can breathe, where you have the air you need, and you get the most space, the best usability of this cabin. In fact, you can even stand up in this position and get in and out of the boat. An excellent solution for spending a few nights on the boat. In my opinion, this is a huge strength of this boat because the sunbathing area isn't flush with the bow, but instead it's inside the boat. So if you have small children, guests who aren't very experienced with boating, or if you just want to feel safer and have less wind and air on you, this solution is ideal because the backrest of this seat comes up to, well, I was about to say the nape of your neck, up to your neck. This big sofa is really comfortable, and right now in the central part it's set up with the table. But if I want to lower it and have a single sunbathing area, I can transform everything and have a super comfortable sunbed for 3 people. The seat in front of the console, as you can see, is spacious and very comfortable. If you want more information about this Maxima 800 Sport or want to configure one so you can see when and how the boat of your dreams, if this is the one for you, could arrive, all you have to do is contact us. You can find all our phone numbers, email addresses, and physical address in the drop-down menu of this video. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. From a beautiful edition of the boot in Düsseldorf, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.